Brands. A brand is the identity of a specific product, service, or business in the form of a name, sign, symbol, or slogan. So, what does the term brand means? Brand is a identity of a specific product or a service or a business in the form of sign, symbol, or slogan. With the help of this sign, symbol, and slogan, we can identify this brand. For example, different manufacturers will be trying to sell a packet of biscuits manufactured by them. So each of them will advertise its product in the best possible manner to win over the buyers. The brand of biscuit that will be able to attract maximum number of people will have more sales. So how this brand effect in increasing the demand of a product, or by how it helps in increasing the purchasing of that particular product by a consumer with the help of different slogans. That means if for example, different manufacturer, they sell a packet of biscuits, okay, and they are manufactured by them. So the packaging system, the you can say the advertisement system, whose product will be more attractive, whose sign will be more you can say attractive, that particular product will be purchased by the more consumer, and hence there will be more number of sales. Sometimes brand use catchy line words in their advertisement which become popular with the consumer. So sometimes the brand also use certain catchy lines or words, especially in the advertisement, through which it helps in becoming popular with the customer or the consumer. These special lines are called taglines. So every product, they have a special taglines. A popular tagline help in increasing the sale of a product as people identify the product with its tagline. So these tagline help in increasing the sale of a product because people identify the product with the help of these tagline. Next is media and advertisement. Today, advertisement is a major part of the print as well as electronic media. Handbills, posters, pamphlets are the earliest form of advertisement. So today, advertisement plays an important role, and it is a major part of print as well as electronic media. Examples such as handbills, posters, pamphlets are the earlier form of advertisement. That means at present today is all the situation or all the society had have totally adapted electronic media, but these are the print media. They were printed and distributed by hand to promote products mainly manufactured in the factory. So earlier, that means in the earlier time, they used to print the handbills, posters, and pamphlets, and they used to distribute by hand to promote their product. Okay. With the advent of newspaper, advertisement become more elaborate. So when the newspaper was established, advertisement become more elaborate. That means it expanded. The first newspaper advertisement announced birth, death, social appointment, and the arrival and departure of ships. So, when the newspaper was established or invented, in that newspaper, the advertisement was announced basically on the how many births were taken place or death, social appointments in different office or companies, and the arrival and departure of ships. Print advertisement are also seen in magazines. So print advertisement are also seen in certain magazine. Some magazine are popular among a particular group of people. The advertisement is in such magazine also try to attract that group. For example, a children's magazine will have advertisement of various sports and food items targeting children, toys, books, and clothes. So every magazine, they are categorized according to the specific age group. For example, if there is a children's magazine, in that particular magazine the advertisement will be basically related to sports and food items which will attract the children's, okay, and hence there will be more sale of the product. You must have seen huge advertisement board all over your city and town. They are called display advertisement. So usually you have seen in your locality there will be big posters and boards. That particular thing is known as display advertisement. Display advertisement often have very colorful images or images of celebrities talking about the benefits of a particular product. So display advertisement are often very colorful images, and in that particular display advertisement, uh, there is images of certain celebrities who talk about the benefits of that particular product. In some newspaper and magazine, we can see certain specific information given in a very concise manner in some specific column. So there are certain newspaper and magazine where we can see certain specific information are given in a concise matter, that means in a specific column. So it also attract the people. These are called classified advertisement and deal with matrimony, property, housing, jobs, birth and deaths. So the you can see in a newspaper, if there is a column like structure, these are called the classified advertisement, and in these particular classified advertisement, basically the news are given about the matrimony, that means marriage, related to sale of property, housing, jobs, birth and death, etc. So this is an example of classified advertisement. Next is advertisement in electronic media. Advertisement is in the electronic media such as radio and television are more attractive and attract people more easily with their audio visual features. So advertisement, especially in the electronic media, examples such as radio and television are more attractive and it attract a huge amount of people because of the audio visual feature. They even cater to people who are differently able or who cannot read and write. So it not only affect the normal people, but it also attract the people who are differently able or who cannot read and write. Advertisement in the electronic media have to be very interesting, so that within the 2 to 3 minutes in which it is aired, it has to make an impression in the minds of the people. So advertisement should be designed in such a manner that it should be within the 2 to 3 minutes, so that it can attract as number of people and it also make an impression in the people's mind. So celebrities such as movie stars and sports person with a huge mass appeal are roped in for advertisement. So in order to attract as number of people, at present celebrities are being used in order to advertise about a product, so that it can appeal a huge amount of people, and it also help in you can say sale of that particular product. Often the advertisements are occupied by song called jingles, which are very popular with the audience. So in some you can say product advertisement, in advertisement also they are played with a song. That particular song is known as jingle, and with the help of this song it attract a huge number of audience, and hence with the help of these jingles huge amount of sales is taking place, and hence the demand of that particular product is increasing.